You won't believe what I found. A completely trending and hidden niche that's blowing up on TikTok. There's this TikTok page that's pulling in millions of views just by posting spicy Twitter videos. Another TikTok page gained around 200K followers by doing the exact same thing. And not just views, but money. One of them is easily making around $500 per video. It contains interesting Twitter threads, or now it's called X. This is basically Reddit Story 2.0 but faster, spicier, and way less saturated. And instead of creating and editing videos manually, I've found an AI tool that does it in minutes, and I'll show you exactly how it works in this video. All you need is a pro-level prompt that generates drama-filled Twitter threads instantly, which I've already created, and I'm giving you guys for free. So watch this video till the end before it gets saturated. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a quick preview of what we'll be creating today.
Modern marriages are collapsing because men want a 1950s housewife in a 2025 economy. You can't afford submission on a 52K salary, King.
Bro really wants a woman to cook, clean, raise kids, and worship him, while he's out here driving a 2015 Corolla with no headboard.
Relationships in 2025. She's in therapy, he's in Discord, and both are crying over TikToks.
Let me quickly break this down so you can see how stupidly simple this actually is. First, we'll use ChatGPT and an AI tool to create our account name and its logo. Then comes the most important part, generating spicy, emotional, debate-triggering Twitter threads using my prompt document. And finally, we'll use an AI tool to create a complete video in minutes. Most people skip the video here, but once you see how fast it is, you'll realize why this niche is a goldmine. The very first impression your audience gets is your account, name, and logo. So instead of wasting hours brainstorming, we're going to use ChatGPT with my pro-level prompt document. You can access it from my Discord server. This isn't some random name generator. This prompt turns ChatGPT into a YouTube strategist. It studies top-performing channels in the niche and gives you 15 unique names based on the given details. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and within seconds, you'll have a list of unique channel names. Just pick the one that feels right. Now that we have a name, let's create a channel logo. For this, we're using Leonardo AI. It's currently one of the best image generation tools out there. Once you're on the Leonardo AI dashboard, click on the image generation. Now copy and paste the second prompt from my prompt document into this box. Just add your channel name that you've selected from ChatGPT. Click on Model and choose Flux Dev. Also, make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1 and simply click Generate. Let's fast forward a bit, and boom, your brand new logo is ready. Just select the one you like. That literally only took 30 seconds. Now the most important part of this entire process, the Twitter threads. You could waste hours scrolling Twitter, looking for something worth turning into a video, or you could just use my third prompt. I spent hours fine-tuning this thing so you don't have to. When you paste this into ChatGPT, it writes the kind of Twitter threads that blow up. We're talking about spicy debates, relationships, or career advice. This content is engineered to go viral. And every time you hit refresh on this prompt, you get a brand new thread ready to be turned into a viral video. I know I'm a genius. But seriously, this step alone puts you ahead of 99% of creators out there. Just scroll through the list and pick one that feels right. At this point, you could either spend hours manually editing your video, or you could let an AI tool automate the process. And this is where Clippie AI comes in. It can create viral videos in minutes. You might have seen it used before for fake tech stories, Reddit videos, or would you rather content. But they just released a brand new template specifically designed for this Twitter thread niche. So head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you've signed up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Now here's where things get exciting. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how to create Twitter thread videos, but really quick. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I cover AI niches like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Click on the Twitter video feature, and you will be led to this dashboard. From above, you can modify some basic display settings. Then just start adding your tweets. Simply paste the main tweet details in the following fields, like the tweet name, its username, and the text generated by ChatGPT. You can even upload an image inside the tweet if needed. And by image, I completely forgot about the profile pic. Make sure to add one too. Next, enter the likes, quotes, replies, and views fields as per your needs. From below, choose a voiceover. As you can see, it offers a wide range of options. Simply choose the one you want. I usually go with a calm and clear voice, but it's totally your call. So, once everything is set, simply click the Add Tweet button. You can manage and rearrange them in the Edit Order section. You can also switch between light and dark modes for the tweet box. So head back to the Add Tweet section and fill in the fields from the second tweet. You'll have to repeat this process for all the tweets generated by ChatGPT. I mean, it's still more easy and quick instead of doing everything manually. So once you've added all of your tweets, simply click the Generate Tweets button. Clippie will instantly create voiceovers for your entire video. Now go to the background section. You can choose one of the provided backgrounds or upload your own. Go to Library and click here. You can select a specific video from a wide variety. As of now, I'm going with Subway Surfers. You can even choose a video edit if you want. Lastly, select a background music from the options provided below. Clicking the play button allows you to preview a voice. The following slider is used to adjust the volume of the background music. You can even upload your own background audio. Finally, we're all set. Click on the Export button. Enter a name for your file and click Render Video. Clippie will start the video generation. So, let's fast forward the generation process. And as you can see, our video is ready. Simply click this button to download the video. Here's how it looks.
My boyfriend used ChatGPT to write love messages for me for 7 months. I only found out because he accidentally pasted a prompt instead of the poem. Modern love is officially dead.
Girl, he still gave you attention every day. Most of y'all get ghosted after week 2. Take the W and move on.
Imagine falling in love with OpenAI and not your actual man. We're dating co-authored love stories now.
Bro just automated emotional labor. He's not heartless, he's efficient.
I don't care if the AI wrote Shakespeare. If it ain't his words, it ain't real. I want him, not his AI intern.
Loki taking notes. If GPT can keep my girl emotionally stable for $20 a month, that's cheaper than therapy.
You're mad he used AI to express love, but got no problem with girls using face app and filters to catfish men.
Guys, let me know in the comments section. Wasn't the video spicy and attention-grabbing? But wait, posting videos is just the beginning. If you want to start making money from day one, here's how you play it smart. Don't just stick to TikTok or one platform. Once your video is ready, re-upload it on YouTube Shorts and Instagram. Same video, zero extra work, because these platforms reward consistency, not perfection. Secondly, forget about being motivational. That doesn't go viral. You need to trigger emotions. Troll your audience just enough to keep them talking, as controversy drives clicks. Lastly, after 5 videos, stalk your analytics. Study what held attention the longest. Double down on that exact topic. Trust me, thinking like a creator and a business owner is how real success happens. And just like that, you've created a viral Twitter thread video in minutes. This niche won't stay empty forever. It's easy to create, and it's incredibly profitable. And now, you've got the tool, the prompts, and the full blueprint to launch your own channel. So don't sleep on this. You can get access to Clippie AI from the link below and grab my free prompt document from Discord. And hey, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to AI Upskill, because next week, I'm dropping another AI niche that's even crazier, and it's something you've never seen before. See you in the next one.
So if I make 99.99, I just gotta beat my meet and read.